Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this quick video, I will show you how to increase the font size on Snapchat. Let's get started. First, open the Snapchat on your phone. Now tap on your Bitmoji in the top left corner. Then tap on the gear icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and find this option called App Appearance and tap on it. If your device supports it, you will see an option for text size or font size. You can drag the slider to make your text bigger in chats and menus. If you don't see a font option inside Snapchat, just like in my case, don't worry. You can change it from your phone's main settings. For that, open your phone settings. Scroll down and go to Display and tap on it. Scroll down until you see this option called Font Size and Style. And again, you can drag the slider to make your text bigger in chats and menus. Snapchat will automatically match your device font size. And that's it. That's how you increase the font size on Snapchat easily. If this video helped, give it a like and subscribe for more quick Snapchat tips. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.